The John Deere 1010E is like a little bird zipping through the snowy forest, delivering logs with ease. It's small but mighty, going where the big trucks can't. Its compact design makes it resemble a nimble bird, effortlessly weaving through the thickets where larger trucks just can't go. Oh, wow. Watching the gigantic root being pulled up from the ground by the cable feels like witnessing a tug-of-war competition between monsters. And the root was never going to win. As a forestry expert, I can confidently say that the CAT 308E revolutionizes tree pruning. With its grinding head, it efficiently trims branches at height, minimizing risks and maximizing productivity. Wow, a huge timber yard in Austria. The Senbogen 735E is smoothly transporting the logs from the conveyor belt and moving them to their designated places. Can you guess how many tons of wood are here? A gigantic limb-sam tree teeters on the hillside, and the treacherous terrain makes cutting it down extremely difficult. But with a strong spirit of determination, the carpenter has overcome every challenge. The trunk has been felled. That log loader is truly impressive. The way its grapple moves is like watching the jaws of a giant monster about to devour its prey. And 75 tons of wood, it gathers it all up in just a few seconds. The drill bit penetrates deep into the tree stump, destroying it from the inside. This method weakens the core structure, causing the tree to collapse. This is an effective process that helps minimize the impact on the surrounding environment. The Den Harco DM4450 is a specialized wood cutting machine that features a professional cutting head. It operates at a power of 300 kilowatts, allowing for continuous cutting of wood with remarkable efficiency. It's fascinating to see technology advancing in such a vital industry. It's truly delightful how the excavator can pull the stump out so effortlessly. The way it digs, drags, and lifts is like a dance, powerful yet graceful. I love how it transforms a messy garden into a blank canvas. The driver of the John Deere 1110D has some serious skills. This machine glides effortlessly through the forest, lifting massive logs like they're made of feathers. It's astounding to witness such mastery at work. What do you think makes a good driver? The Savwerk 275.309 mini sawmill represents an impressive combination of compactness and efficiency. Designed for households and small workshops, it brings professional-grade performance into the hands of hobbyists and professionals alike. Risatec TK200. It's not just an ordinary tree planting machine. It's on a mission to revive forests by sowing green seeds. With its powerful performance and eco-friendly design, why not choose it? It's a practical choice. A lumberjack, undeterred by the cold, is determined to bring down those mighty trees. And what about the transportation? It's tough, but luckily modern machinery steps in to lighten the load. Oh, a lumber truck is going down the hill. It's really heavy. I worry it might roll over the edge. But the driver is careful and gets it down safely. A giant log gets lifted onto the truck. No frills, just pure power and precision at work. It's about moving massive weights with skill and making it look routine. The Stihl MS660 delivers a robust 5.2 kilowatts, allowing it to tackle large logs with exceptional ease and precision. Designed for heavy-duty tasks, it ensures efficiency and reliability in every cut. The harvester operates seamlessly under snowy conditions, demonstrating exceptional resilience and adaptability. Its cutting head maintains precision and agility, ensuring efficient performance despite the challenging environment. The Shearex VM Series excavator, with its mighty engine, shreds tree stumps into mulch in the blink of an eye. But it doesn't stop there. It clears brush and dirt, leaving the landscape pristine and ready for action. Behold the snowplow with its robust blade, sweeping away the layers of snow from the road. It's a breathtaking sight, transforming the winter landscape into a clear path of possibility.